So today I just want to show y'all a really quick tutorial on how to change the colors of your icons, your folders, basically anything that you want to change pretty much. So I'm going to do one of the apps instead of the folders. So if you want to change the color of an app, you're going to have to go to your apps folder in your finder and choose one. So let's see, which one do I want to do? Let's not make it difficult now. I know what I want. I know. Okay, here you go, right here. Okay, so you're gonna right click on it. You want to click Get Info, and then this screen pops up. You want to select this little icon, and you're gonna hit Command C, and we're gonna copy that to our clipboard. So you want to hit your search button on your MacBook, and you're gonna type in Preview, and let's open it up. So when Preview opens up, so it shows here all of the stuff that I've already changed colors of. So far, I've only done Canva and my desktop folders and my drive. So when you open up Preview, you want to click on File and just do New from Clipboard or Command N, and then this comes up. You want to go to your bar at the top and click on Tools, and then we're going to go to Adjust Color. So of course, my favorite color is pink, which I'm sure it wasn't hard for y'all to figure that out. So basically you just want to play around in here with the colors until you get it to the desired color that you want it as. Me, I'm going to try to get pink, and hopefully I'm successful in that, because don't piss me off. I think I'm headed in the right direction. And sometimes you can only get it a certain level of pink, like on the folders. It's kind of easier to hit all the colors that you may be thinking about, but when it comes to these apps now, you will have to play around with it a little bit more. But I really feel like this is as pink as it's gonna get. I would prefer it to be darker in color, but you gotta work with what we're working with. Okay, so now that we are done with that, just gonna hit the X on that, and we're gonna come back over here, click on this, and you're gonna Command C. So this window is still open from when I originally copied the icon. So you're just gonna hit Command V, and boom, y'all, it's pink. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? It's pink. Okay, so let's close this out, and that was for Discord. So it does ask you to name it before you close it out. I'm just gonna put it Discord, save that. Okay, boom. So when we come down here, so Discord is still its original color. We're gonna quit that and close the app, and then I'm also gonna remove it from my dock. And then I'm gonna search up Discord, and we're gonna open it again so it populates back down here in my bar navigation. There it is right there. You're gonna right click on it, go to options, and then we're gonna go to keep in dock, and boom. Let me slide that next to my Canva. So as you can see down here at the bottom, my Canva is pink, my Discord is pink. I hope this was simple enough for you guys. Hopefully it was easy and straight to the point. But that is how you change the color of your apps on your MacBook. So if you guys can think of anything else that you want to know, you want to ask me, feel free to drop comments below. Thank you for your time, and see you on the next one.